In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a line break on Wix. As we go through this, I'll provide you with all the necessary details to make the process as easy and smooth as possible. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your homepage or your dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Now you'll want to head over and click on Design Site. This will direct you to the area where you can edit and refine the look of your website. It's important to note that loading your website might take a little bit of time. So much depends on your internet connection and the overall size of your website. So if it takes a while, don't worry. Just be patient and give it a moment to fully load. Now that your site is up and running on the screen, we can focus on identifying and fixing the issue of the line break. As you scroll, you might see sentences that are interrupted awkwardly by a line break. This can affect the visual appeal of your content and ultimately the entire layout. What you'll need to do is very simple. Find the text box that's causing the line break issue. Once you've located it, you'll want to click and drag the sides or edges of the text box. This action adjusts the width of the text box, allowing the text within it to realign properly without breaking in odd places. It's almost like magic. Just that small adjustment can greatly enhance the look of your text. Once you've resized the text box, you'll see that the sentence now flows much better. The line break has been effectively eliminated, and everything looks tidy and in perfect alignment, complementing your overall web design. And just like that, you've successfully removed the line break on Wix. It wasn't too difficult, right? With a little patience and a few clicks, your content now looks much more professional and appealing to your visitors. Feel free to revisit this video or instructions whenever you need a refresh or encounter similar issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more guides like this one. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more useful content in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the improved look of your Wix website.